everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yamini and you are watching Yamini Arya speaking channel. Guys, in this video, as you have seen my thumbnail, today I want to tell you how you can be a confident person. When someone lose your confidence, what you have to do at that time. This morning I faced this same issue. So I want to share with you that problem, and if you have faced this type of problem, so please share with me, because this is not only a problem, this is your motivation, this is your guidance. When someone lose your confidence, so how you have to overcome from your fear, and how you have to change that fear into your motivation. So I want to tell you and I want to share with you my own feeling. But before moving ahead, if you are my new viewer, so don't forget to like, subscribe, because I am here after a long time. I am not consistent, so I'm so sorry for that. But I will try my best to be a consistent in this journey. So go ahead, let's go. Guys, this morning, what happened? I have installed CV application. If you don't know about this application, so I want to tell you this application name is CV application, and whenever I get a few time, so I try to speak with people. Okay, so you can see this is CV application, and this morning I was talking with one person. That person name was Amit. I thought this is my good Chow, I have gotten that person. That person was a spoken English trainer. That person had a very good English, but not good manner, not good guidance. That person was selling his paid course, paid spoken English course to me, and I said no, I no need, and I don't want this course, because now I am practicing with ChatGPT, with co-learners, and trying my best to read books with books. But that person said, my English, my English is less than beginner. That person gave me my spoken English feedback within 10 minutes. Okay, within 10 to 5 minutes, if someone checking you, someone giving you his advice, you are poor, you have a very you don't have sharp memory, you are just reacting like a good speaker, so what will you do? First, you will get nervous. Is this man right or not? First, guys, there is no one who can tell you who are you. There is only you, and you know about yourself in a better way. What is your spoken English level? It can be English or anything. So you are your own good advisor. You know about yourself, your English is poor or not. But that person told me and gave me advice, you are less than beginner. At that time, I got shocked. And I said, two, three sentences, why you are telling me like that? Uh, I don't want your paid classes. I am here just for practice purpose, because CV application for only for practice purpose. But why are you giving me this advice? That person was not listening to me. That person was just speaking and speaking about his course, and he was just disguising my confidence. That person was telling me, if you will speak like that, you will take 2 years for becoming a good English speaker. Okay. So if you are same person who who is facing this type of problem, and if you have seen this type of problem in your life, so please make a very huge difference with those type of person who is pushing you backside, and live with that person who always praise you, who always give you motivation. Because guys, motivation is important, motivation matter when you start to learn. And sometimes when you lose your confidence, you lose your fluency. Okay, when you lose your confidence, automatically you lose your fluency. So don't do like that. and start with speaking anyhow. But guys, do you know there is a very good feedback, because I have taken a long time in my spoken English journey. So this morning when I talked with that person, I started to read books. I started to create my own video again. I started to speak in English through free applications. So these things I have started after that curse calling. That curse calling was that person uh, who talked about my spoken English, who gave me advice. I'm less than beginner. So that was not a curse. I have to take it like my strength, my strong power. I can do it. So, guys, you can also do it. You are powerful. You have motivation in your blood, and no one can push you. So, thank you so much for watching my this video. Bye bye. Take care. If you have your any query, then you can ask to me, and you can give me your advice. And sorry if I have make any if I made any mistake. I'm so sorry for that, because I have started this spoken English journey again, and I know I have forgotten some sentences. My fluency has gotten affected very much. I'm sorry for that. But after some time, after some days, I will be a good speaker. I know about that. And you will be a very good speaker. And I also know about that. So bye bye.